am Liana, the founder of Music Academy International, and today we're gonna continue our series on Christmas, and today it's a really fun one. It's called Linus and Lucy from Charlie Brown collection. I know you love the song, though it's an easy one, okay? So get ready. I'm gonna play it first, and then let's do it together. Go like that. Obviously, when you learn it, you can play it a little bit faster, but I want it to go a little slower, so you're not gonna freak out, oh my god, I can't do that, okay? But when you learn it, I'm telling you, it sounds very good. And I know you can do it, but you gotta practice, right? Maybe more than 10 minutes a day, maybe 20 minutes again a day. What about that? And some scales on top of it. Here we having two chords that I want you to learn it, because they're gonna come like 1, 2, 3, 4 times or something like that. So it's gonna be easier for you then to reapply it if you know it. So first one is E, A, D, E, A, D on the right hand. Just play like that, you know, E, A, D, E, A, D, E, A, D, again, E, A, D. Just do like a little exercise like that. E, A, D, E, A, D, E, A, D, and then E, A, D right here. Alright? And then the second chord is B, E, A. Okay? B as a boy, E, and A. Okay? With these fingers, 1 to 5. Again. So you do this exercise to find them. B, E, A, E, B, A, E, B, A, E, B. You can just go like that, just to have fun, going up and down. Obviously slow. Alright? The left hand you have, so those are the two ones that I want you to really learn them and practice them. The left hand has one pattern that repeats over and over again, and that pattern is G, D, G, and D, a fifth, so finds G and D, and G and E. G and D, G and E, right? So, and then you're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's the beat. 1, 2, and 3, 4, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and so practice that another like 10 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. So right now I'm gonna go with the intro to see how easy it is. So you're gonna play the fifth on the left hand, and then the one that you just learned it, and you let it loose. The second one. Now you're gonna move, the second one moves an octave higher. And then you have a B and G as a transition, now A, D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 times left hand. And then you come back to the one that you know it. You just did it before. Alright? Again, I'm playing again. Left, right, left, second one. Second one goes an octave higher. And then this one, and then the first one together on the same time. All three notes, all three keys on the same time. And start the pattern on the left hand 2 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And then move to the second pattern. B, E, A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I think you got it. But I'm gonna go one more time and then you're gonna stop the video and practice that, okay? Deal 1 and 2. Second one. Second one. An octave higher. These 2 notes. And then start the pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and for the second one. Not that hard. Please replay and do it again and you will have it in no time. No time. Alright, I'm gonna move on. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family. Link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much and God bless you. The left hand, as I said, actually is going to do the same thing for like 10 measures, 2, 4, 6 measures, sorry. And then we're going to have this fifth some point in time. That's a B flat and an F. So just remember this one, and then same one is going to go an octave lower. So this is it on the left hand. You don't need to do anything. Right now, we're going to practice this. G, A, B, B, A, G. T, T, ta, T, T, ta, T, T, ta, T, T, ta. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. G, A, B, B, A, G. 1, 2, 3, fingers 3, 2, 1. Quick, slow, quick, slow. And now, every time you have a quick, you press the D with your pinky on the same time. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So practice that. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. It's not that hard. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 2, and 1 and 2, right? And then you move to DNA, find DNA, alright? And you go 1 key lower on the top, but the bottom goes 2 keys lower. Alright, so this is a fifth, DNA, and then you go 1 lower, just the left hand is going, the thumb is on the B and G. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Practice that. 1 and 2 and 3. Practice that. No big deal. Okay? And then you're gonna go to the fifth in G, and then go 1 and 2, 3, 4. Exactly what you did here is going to be like a mirror or an echo, an octave lower. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay? So So practice that, stop the video, practice a little bit right hand so you get it, so you're gonna be easy to coordinate, and let's put it together right now. Slowly. 1 in, 2 in, 3 in, 4. That's the only tricky part. Look. 1 in, 2, left, 1 in, 2. 1 in, 2, left, right. You see, so first it's together. You're starting both hands on the same time. In the middle of the measure is gonna go left by itself. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So, and then the right hand comes afterwards, like that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 1 and then both hands on the same time. Look, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, and that's the second measure of the line. 1 and 2 and, okay, so both measures. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And then the next one, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. You see, same tricky part, left, right. 1 and 2 and 3, and one more time you do the left hand. And now you have 4 measures. Going all 4 measures in, plus another 2, because they are the repeat of the first measures. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Left. One more time. And repeats first 2 measures. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So you remember this chord? I said interval. It's again a fifth. It's part of the B flat major chord, but it's a fifth, B flat and F. Right hand you have a G fifth, and then it's moving to the A. B, A, A, B, A, exactly on the same time with the left hand. You can take this one with 1 and 4. Doesn't matter, it's 1 and 5 or 1 and 4, whatever it's easier for you. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. I'm repeating again, 1 and 2 and 4. And then you have another note that it's just a transition to the, I told you that you're gonna move the same one, an octave lower, B flat F. And then the right hand goes this cool pattern. It's just a cool pattern that you can do it with different combination of fingers or different fingering. So first it's a B flat minor. That is gonna be another B flat minor here. But if you wanna be more cool, you can add the F. So it's gonna be like a B flat minor 7, you know. So you can go. Sounds good, right? Better like that. So you can do with this finger. So you can do 1, 2, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 5. You see how I'm repeating the same keys? G, B flat D, G, B flat D. I'm repeating the 2 times, but an octave higher, but I'm adding another F. Again, these fingers would be 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 5, and then 1, 3, 5. Whatever it's easier. It's easier for you. And then again, the same combination that we did on the first line, this and this, right? With the left hand coming back on the first position that we had in G. So what are 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and then repeats all over, okay? So I'm gonna give you again all the perspective on this page that goes like that. ending, and we're gonna go to the section B or section 2, but it is section B, that we're gonna do it in the next tutorial. Okay, so practice this one and see you in part 2.